Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala from Grace Healing Homeopathy. Today let's discuss a very important remedy. Of course, मैं जो भी रेमेडी आपको शेयर करता हूँ वो मेरे क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस पे शेयर करता हूँ. उसमें सिम्टम्स तो बहुत रहते हैं, बट जो मुझे सिम्टम मिले, वॉट एवर सिम्टम आई हैव गॉट इन माई क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस, आई डिस्कस दैट. टुडे आई डिस्कस कोका. Yes, coca, a very important remedy for mountaineous sickness that we all know. I will discuss a case of coca in relation to cough, and then I'll add few symptoms which I saw and read in that remedy, which are very useful in a practice. एक पेशेंट था जो हमेशा बोलता था, डॉक्टर साहब खांसी बहुत पुरानी है, आई हैव अ वेरी क्रॉनिक कफ. He had some typical symptoms of cough. He had taken homeopathy medicines, allopathy medicines, other treatments, but it was only temporarily better. He said that whenever I walk in the sun or in the hot weather, the cough starts. Normally हम क्या देखते हैं कि जब भी धूप में गए या गर्मी में चले तो खांसी थोड़ी कम होती है by warm. That was a very important symptom which I got after a few months. और उसके बाद और एक सिम्टम था पेशेंट का कि जब मैं खांसता हूँ तो खांसी ऊपर आती है और लूज हो जाती है, फिर ऐसी मतलब, और उसको फिर स्वॉलो करना पड़ता है. मतलब जो लूज हो जाती है, यहाँ से बहुत खिचखिच लगती है, बहुत ताकत से लूज करके ऊपर लाता हूँ, फिर से मुझे स्वॉलो करना पड़ता है. मीन्स द कफ हैज टू बी स्वॉलोड आफ्टर बीइंग लूजन. एंड वेन एवर आई हैव एक्सपेक्टोरेशन, इट इज स्पेशली इन द मॉर्निंग, और वो स्टार्च के समान होता है, मतलब स्टार्च के समान होता है, like starch. And he said that बहुत खिचखिच होती है, मतलब बहुत ऐसी खर 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 होता है, इरिटेशन होता है यहाँ पे मुझे, ये यहाँ पे, और शाम को फिर खांसी शुरू होती है. और मैं आई एम रियली टायर्ड ऑफ दिस कफ. आई फील एज इफ आई एम सो एग्जॉस्टेड. आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. I just want to sit and relax because I feel I'm exhausted because of the cough, my life situations, my health, my environment. Mentally I'm very exhausted. I want to just rest. And because of this, I am so mentally, angry. And where can I take out my anger? There's a lot of anger that nothing is happening in my life, nor physically, nor mentally, nor emotionally, nor career wise, and there's no relief in my life. Please treat this cough. मेरे खांसी ठीक करो डॉक्टर साहब. एंड जब भी मुझे लगता है गुस्सा आता है, ये करता है, अब तो मैं शांति से, आई वांट टू जस्ट सिट डाउन, जस्ट रिलैक्स, आई फील टायर्ड. So these were the symptoms of the patient which we got after a month, because we took first the acute case taking, then the chronic case taking, and then we got the remedy right. I prescribed the patient Coca 200, and next month again I repeated after 15 days Coca 200, and the patient is much better. Now it has been for the past 2 months I am just giving him plain placebo and he is absolutely better. Now which symptom will you take for prescription for Coca? That is very important. The first symptom with the patient tells that was very important: cough in sun or walking in hot. This is a very important symptom of Coca, my dear friends. If you get this symptom, nothing like it. Second symptom what the patient was telling is that the expectoration has to be swallowed, which is loosened. The expectoration which has to be swallowed, which is loosened because of cough, and expectoration is starts like in the morning. This is a very important symptom of Coca. What was the patient mentally telling? That is also a very important symptom of Coca. Normally, these acute remedies, we don't think about the mind. हम माइंड का सोचते नहीं है, बट जब भी कोई पेशेंट बोलता है, उसके बोलने पे हमको प्रिस्क्राइब करना है. वॉट एवर आई हैव सीन इन माई प्रैक्टिस, we don't have to dig too much. Sometimes the patient tells you symptoms which we feel it's okay, maybe he has the problem, but that is the rubric which is talking. There's a rubric in Coca: delusion. He feels he's exhausted. Delusion, exhausted he is. That is also Coca. And one symptom, the pain which the patient was suffering from, the anguish, and perfect resting ameliorates. That is also a very important symptom of Coca. When I was reading Coca, there is again one symptom that you all should remember. There is a lot of weakness, there is a lot of exhaustion, there is a lot of prostration. Walking ameliorates after breakfast. जब पेशेंट ब्रेकफास्ट खाना खाता है फिर चलता है, उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That is coca, my dear friends. Breakfast emulsion. Of course, there are other remedies also, but coca is also there. One symptom of restlessness of coca, which is very important, because we have talked about the rest, the exhausted feeling, restlessness, timidity, ill at ease at society. He is not fully very social, very happy in society, ill at ease at society. One symptom which before giving coca I had given patient arsenic album, that was also very important. The patient used to tell me, बहुत गले में ऐसी इरिटेशन लगता है डॉक्टर साहब, ऐसे खर 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 लगता है, ऐसे लगता है खांसी आ रही, स्पेशली मे बी अराउंड 2 बजे, अराउंड 2-2:30 बजे, अराउंड 2 बजे, एग्जैक्ट टाइम नहीं पता. तो दैट 12 to 2 इज सो engraved in a mind for arsenic album. But if you read the mathematics of coca, it is written irritation in the air passage from larynx afternoon 2 p.m. That is also coca. So some drugs, that the polycress drugs and acute drugs are so close by, because we have knowledge of a polycress so deeply, because it has been taught in college and in seminars. That's why we sometimes fail to forget these acute remedies which have got fantastic results. So my dear friends, the mind symptoms of coca, the physical cough symptoms of coca, which I have seen in my practice, I have just shared with you. So if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.